I made a critical mistake, which I have made so many times. For those of you who are new here,
Yo, what's up, gamers? It's your boy Winnie. We're on the slopes today.
and I'm the homie with the camera. Too many cameras. And I'm always filming, but for some reason,
Oh, dude! Pedro!
all my SD cards are full, but my YouTube is empty. I know I'm not alone, so I've been working on the app you saw in the beginning of this video. Basically, the dream is that you plug in your SD card, Import Magic figures out what videos and pictures are new, and then imports it into your system based on some configurations that you've set up. And for all my software engineering nerds, I'm building this in Electron. Yes, I know, Electron. I'm building it with React, TypeScript, and Tailwind. This is week 3 of me working on the MVP. This week has been hard because I underestimated how difficult it would be to release a desktop application, because what I'm used to on the web is that you just deploy your code and then the browser will download the newest version or hit the latest server or whatever, and then the user always has the latest fresh version of the code that you have, right? But for desktop, it's way different because the user actually has to download it to the computer. And then this week I found out that Apple and Windows, they require you to code sign your application.
Bruh.
So essentially to verify that you are a developer that they trust, right? Because you don't want to be downloading a virus or whatever. So I spent this whole week trying to figure out how to get code signing and notarizing working, because it's critical, because if you don't get that working, then you can't update the application and the person's going to have to download it every single time from a unrecognized source. I ended up having to pay $99 to Apple just to get some certificates to verify my identity, and I had to update my CI/CD pipelines, and this took basically 3 days of my life trying to get this working. And I didn't get much done this week, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get notarizing done in week 4. But I want to end off this video with some thoughts. Sometimes there's weeks like this where you just feel like you're going nowhere. And I definitely felt this very intensely this week and got quite frustrated with myself, honestly. When I was making this video, I realized in these moments, there's always a choice to choose our attitudes, to choose our perspective, to choose to not let our courage be battered down by our own self-doubt. When we choose this moment in the here and now, we can see that these obstacles are actually opportunities for growth, pushing us to explore more of what makes us, us. I know that this isn't going to be perfect, but I know it's going to be me. And weeks like these are a test to see how much we've grown. We have to choose to learn from these challenges and our mistakes without any self-criticism or judgment. We let go of our egos so that cannot block us from the lessons. The past cannot hold us back, only ourselves.
Yeah!
Get 3.
Thank you for watching week 3 of me doing the work of my life. As I mentioned last week, if you would like to help test out the development of Import Magic, there is a waitlist/signup page for free Import Magic keys at importmagic.lemonsqueezy.com. So thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next week.